This is how you invest $10,000 if you're in your 60s. My name is Eric and I've made it around 50 grand within the stock market within the last year. So if you want to learn how to invest, make sure to drop a follow. Asset allocation for those in the 60s will look extremely different from younger individuals. You shouldn't be taking on excessive risk with volatile assets like IPOs, leveraged ETFs, margin or advanced options. So here's how I would invest $10,000 if I were in my 60s using the classic 60-40 portfolio. First, $3,000 will go into VTI, which is the US total market ETF. This will give you exposure into the entire US market, giving you wide diversification. This averages a 11% annualized return. So $1,000 will go into tech-heavy NASDAQ QQQ. This will be your highest performer as it's heavily concentrated in tech. $1,000 will go into VEA, which is the international ETF, excluding US, giving you geographical diversification. $1,000 into SCHD, which will give you a steady stream of income with a sustainable 3.6% dividend yield and less volatile than the overall market as measured in beta. Moving over onto the bond side, $2,000 into AGG, which is the aggregate bond ETF that will give you exposure into US investment grade bonds. $1,000 into BNDX, giving international bond exposure. And the remaining $1,000 will sit in a high yield savings account, earning you 4.5% interest, giving you a safe and modest returns. I have some of the highest paying banks linked in my bio. If you want to see my entire portfolio along with what I'm buying and selling in real time, check out the Blossom app linked in my bio or comment the word stock and I'll send it to you directly.